Yama Ghana for Akwaba na yensha kasebono ase. Yensha kasebono asia. Enfinsia mpenu ani aduonu 2020 num na kyerese enfinsia nan mu anie. Ana ensem bi ebeto Ghana for apono so na enya asam keto ne nyina no ene se. Wabra na kane mampani John Dramani Mahama tia ba nya so se mampani no. Wo kyerem se eye efensen ebas bia. Nanke ye kwa akoto e dia bre Ghana aban. Nanka sojafo timidi di dwuma mekyere wiem sen ema ewi akire ehon nsem akoye pipa ma kyere se enam so ema sabre wopani a na wote abanya so SS special prosecutor Yewra Martin ABK Kaiser Amidu Krampo etna sansem no so na wabra Yewra Martin Amidu wo ye hwehwemu e dia fa saa e ba sensem no ehwo no ana wadi to da ekire mu se mampani dada John Dramani Mahama wono ana wo ye government official wan ene yensebu ba ye no na yenya mu enkyeremu yie nanso no eyade se aban mu mpanifo mekyere NPP fo sabre no wo mu dituda ekyerem se o kane mampani John Dramani Mahama wo kronfo wakwaje bribe ene ekyere se wo pemadi ene ensam de wo mu ka bi pam na mu ana Yewra Martin ABK Kaiser Amidu kane special prosecutor jadwuma no to ho nanso mpanisi sasansa ko atu a wode na kyiri eja kromanti mampani akufo ado eba wapani ani di ede lawyer kisia da bi de se wono so matoa so se Ghana yen special prosecutor ene papa nso ba ye finsia nan enie ana wato adwumadie no so a waye hwehwemu a wo ko UK na wo ba London na wo ko UK na wo ko US na ene anansam trofo nhyamu papa yi wode abetu dwa na Yewra kisia da ben a woye Ghana yen special prosecutor ede atuga akire mu ese wohwe eba sensensam a yede ho sobo ebo kane mampani John Dramani Mahama no a ewurade efiti na ekurei ni wo so sa abrobe na enya no kurada se wakwaje bribe mpo edifiri obi aho na kane mampani John Dramani Mahama nka kwete se eye nipa bi na hyase ese wo mbeka nsem bi ede agu no ho fin nanso no efiti bra wo hye hwemu ahye se special prosecutor no wakwa UK wakwa London wakwa US wakwa Kosovo wakwa Kandaha baby asese owura na wo ye hwehwemu bia no waye na enkyiremu asese wode beto Ghana fo nyina nim ema Ghana fo nyina hunu ensunsanso a na ewo airbus ni so nyina no ene se kane mampani John Dramani Mahama wankwaje bribe bia efiri se office of the special prosecutor no wamo enya enyina so bia kire se kane mampani John Dramani Mahama wakwaje bribe ewo sansensem a ekoso num enu ntefiti na ekurei kane mampani John Dramani Mahama sa wonam na sa wo shia destin powder kolibu powder 6 flowers all flowers ya tobi netu ko wiem efiri se enfomso a nipa bi de kekire wo no se na enye sa anatie Yewra kisia dabe wo bra na wo kasa ewo ensam trofo nhia mo ase no emu nsam ne.
Neither does the short declaration by Airbus to the Spanish Export Credit Agency and Airbus's non-declaration in the context of the US ITAR. Consequently, OSP has no evidentiary basis upon which to conclude that Samuel Adam Foster, also known as Samuel Adam Mahama, Philip Sean Middlemas, and Leanne Sarah Davis acted as conduits of bribery between the employees of Airbus and former President John Dramani Mahama or any other public official. Also, the OSP found no evidentiary basis that suggests that Samuel Adam Foster, also known as Samuel Adam Mahama, Philip Sean Middlemas, and Leanne Sarah Davis received payments from Airbus with the intention of bribing former President John Dramani Mahama or any other public official. Further, the OSP found no evidentiary basis that suggests former President John Dramani Mahama or any other public official was paid bribes by Samuel Adam Foster, also known as Samuel Adam Mahama, Philip Sean Middlemas, and Leanne Sarah Davis in respect of the purchase by the government of Ghana of military transport aircraft from Airbus. Then again, OSP found no evidentiary basis that suggests that former President John Dramani Mahama or any other public official was induced to improperly favor or did improperly favor Airbus in respect of the purchase by the government of Ghana of military transport aircraft from Airbus. In the case of Sarah Peno, she should not even have been a subject of the OSP investigation. Members of the media, OSP has cited and notes that by two separate communications, both dated 22 April 2021, SFO, the United Kingdom, notified Samuel Adam Foster and Philip Sean Middlemas that a decision had been taken not to prosecute them for any offense in respect of the Airbus Ghana deal. It has not come to the notice of the OSP.
Any ayeti ye Yewra kisi ejaben wono ana oye special prosecutor Emma Ghana ana wode sansem we ato edwa na wo kasa na wo kire mu biem se wo hwe anhwehwemu a wode aguso efa eye Airbus SC case no eho a de obetima kama Ghana fo nyina te se yewura Kanema mpane John Dramani Mahama wono ana no oye government official one na emom se wakwaje bribe de enya nokure enwunsu mu nsem enie.
The OSP established through independent inquiry the identity of the subjects of the investigation. Though the UK and US courts muffled their identity, we deem it necessary to reveal the identity of some of the individuals owing to the very heightened public interest in the fact that the conduct of Airbus was held by the UK and US courts to be aimed at courting undue favor and advantage from Ghanaian public officials and an elected high government official in the sale of C-29 aircraft to Ghana, and the persons held to be closely associated with all the conduit of the courting of such undue favor and advantage. And also, in light of the occurrences in the context of the investigative and prosecutorial actions of the Ghanaian and UK authorities in the past 4.5 years. So, the OSP confirms the identity of the following individual. Government Official 1, Individual 1. Individual described as Government Official 1 by the UK court and Individual 1 by the US court is John Dramani Mahama. He is a citizen of Ghana. He was the Vice President of Ghana from 7 January 2009, 24 July 2012. He was the President of Ghana from 24 July 2012 to 7 January 2017. His tenure of office as the Vice President of Ghana coincided with the time frame of the UK and US investigation of the first Airbus campaign for the sale of 2 C-295 aircraft to Ghana. His term of office as the President of Ghana occurred during the UK and US investigation time frame of the second Airbus campaign for the sale of 1 C-29 aircraft to Ghana.
Eni ayeti ye Ghana yen special prosecutor ye rakisi ejaben ene anode enchirechiremu aba wo chirem se Airbus nsemu a emfinsha be se 9 year abeto Ghana fo pono so a ye de ho entansa ebo Kanema mpane John Dramani Mahama no se na nokure bi enim efiri se enyina so bi eni ho no mo a kire se Kanema mpane John Dramani Mahama wo kwaje bribe enya nokure emunsem ne
yentu akase ebo no so ane ye body agura mu ewo Ghana Tertiary Education Commission for no babontia bekasa echirem se sese ayekese Ghana de shedo na kasa kasa se ne teacher training colleges ahodo o manga na mu nyina ne momori antutu ne nyina mu firi se Colleges of Education Teachers Association of Ghana o momodi atuatua sese amekese nya de o mokwa classroom mekwa kira de nti ehube hia se ne school fo no ba kwatena fi adweno mo ho efiri se ebeya diso bebo momodi ama ne best class o nkwa classroom konko sua de obekono chechire ni ho na kwatena school ho no na didi odidi ni fa so obi amaso awofo ne kirem se koba ne se na se ye ka hunu bi na eba ne senti ehu be hia pa se de perform modern maintenance fo ne ka be ya ne school no ye ntutu na dusuafo no kwatena mba bi kura enwene woro mo ho nanso Ghana Tertiary Education Commission fo kirem se dabi ensma hodo na awofo ne kan ya de ombeja tuma firi se ebeboa pa na ne nyina ne se aba ne do no moka saa sika na wode wo no otua pe asomdwe betumi abanti perform modern maintenance mba bi kura na nya de school no betum ne atum ekina kura na Ghana fo ba kai adwumbo so na to so du nan na ye fiada ene se sita kwa mo de ba te ba ka kire Ghana fo nyina ne say o ma ka kire abai so mo pay eye implementation of arbitrary awards kire nso o mo so san per condition of service what ma ka enya de abai no wotie nte o mo de atuatia na kwa mo adwun so kwa mo kwa na watwe mienu pe na so mo tena ho anya de abai no otie san sensem ne me kese no kopie mu o mo academic activities na ayabasa na so Ghana fo agaze kire mi se nka be ye pa se nka jampelfo ba to school ni nyina mu na nka jadusuafo na kwatena mba bi kra nanso enedi era Professor Francis K.E. eye nunu oye Deputy Director General Edema Ghana Tertiary Education Commission no wakasa kire mi se Ghana wo fo nya abotre free se wo muguso ni mpanifo akasa azesi na akakitua bi akatom no bro na se bibia kwa wie ya jizambelfo ba modern atia se na de aketua ahodo akamu a wonom entua pharmacy takno betua masomdwa timi abanti Ghana fo nyina nto mbo ase boko no monta chefo na chefri se enema hudo bi ahia wono nsa ban yema omo de ase de tie bia no bibia beto din ni senti se yenkwato to school mu de enya de to ba so ne na abaso chena we ni nkra wodo nso a efri Ghana Tertiary Education Commission fo aso ya ene enumre di ye kase bo ye bo akire e de asom yen etiefo
yento anwumre no nsia kase bo no esom ye kwa kopie mu ewo emfinfin mantemu a na yeko eye kakraba eye fete kakraba eno no eye kuro ba ko a wodi wani akire mu ewo mepacho wada Cape Coast Kwantempo no so na free Enquires no eye ade se eye kuro ba ko a ewo sa Kwantempo no eso na besa bosome kakra nie ana aban no ede Cape Coast ene Enkran kwantempon no ama contractor se wanya ho adwuma na contractor ye kasa yi wo ye sa akwan no ho adwuma no me no kasa nya asam goto akura eye nag eye Fairmont company eno eye contractor wono ana ye di dualization no ahye ne nsa wo hwese eye Enkran ene Cape Coast kwantempon no obetimi aba mu na hyenka fo nso atimi akọ aba ne ntentam eso na awehosem we free one mo ba ekirem se contractor na wo ye sa akwan no ya de se bridge ya wo ye no wanfa kyerese bibiada ankata so enu nti ahyenkanfo no duru ho no na se wunim kwan no so a wubehu ana wodam enna kyerese enefofia antoata na nkampese watimi adwade ho abamo a wo hyenkani a walodu enipa na wode wonom efiri eye Cape Coast na wode dani akire mu ewo nkrapumpune mantam no amane boni kyerem se wobra woduru eye fete kakraba ye hudi ye na kyerese wo hyenkani ene ne ka no ekotisi amre mu se kunkron ewo eye fete kakraba bridge no eso ama me no ka se bridge no ensu enamase enti no nipa na etika no mu no ba ko me no ka se ensu no de ne kwa awayira ye hu no afoforo nso eprepra na ka no a enya sankwansia yi ne registration number eye GG 5639-19 eye sprinter bus ana kyerese wonam sa kwantempon no eso na wanum ekirem se contractor no efiti bra wo hye asese wo ye adwuma no wonya na adwere se wo the traffic signal anase bia bibimpo ebese kwan no so a akira shankafo se bia bridge no bia ya ye ne sei anase road diversion anase bibi ebetimi abokokwa anase betre shankafo no kwan ena kyerese nam so a enam so ne sa rahusem we atimi asi a wodasani ba kwa manebonu ekiremu ese ensoro de edene ko ana foforo nso aprepra wo ba yem Facebook no eso a eye DLFM 106.9 wo hwese de akwansia no sisi ye no aka no ana edaya ya ewo nso no mu akire se aya reho sempam na mayenkwa homa so na ye nuansam troni a wono ne di sansam yachi Samuel Nyameche Junior aba homa no so wodi sansam na chi a wo boyemu enkommo akwa pasame Nyamisra wa nwumre
amen nyamisu nshira
wada ma bibia bokọ de
Yehowa nyankopon
nyankopon ade acha yen ye da sesa nwumre waje yen so o enkomo yi enya de se mu ode mu na si manim odaroma emu nkomo ne san
yo medas papa ye nyina beka ya be 5 to 6 months in any ehun say aban ede aso eba opom say omo ye winiba ka so kwantempon no eje say omu bibi mama na be do akare eno na ene fofi antoata ama ne atorenchem bi asiwo kwantempon no so na we de ma memfa etipo nko ekira fi se contractor na sha say oye dwuma e wo kwan yusu contractor ndi Newmont o ba kwan no so a unhu road sign bia ekire say edwumayefo e wo kwan no so. Number 2, you need any emergency exit via an bypass via in France say contractor and 18 years to say in case at Biba main road passenger for ne adora for betting any any number 2. Now the number 3, only baby ports say and net me do more library camp into being say concentration in our library camp daddy and me say kono ebe nyamba say udi we ne akire winibano ano pay no obebe nwumere no ne e de say ye wo mu asaba bedi kaso le ni na akra le ni ama omo ko wini ba no so kwa di ayi wini ba le ni anampa say kaso le na je say wadane no wotibi dane no at any point in time na contractor ya bona chi abo by 4 months ni e na o cha say oye bridge no oye kudu ba bia no wejai obetimi afelia dumfimfin no wejai when an Ethiopian to attack car, the registration number GG 2356-19. Walodi efficace wa an iterum winiba a full passenger car, a sprinter bus or a 24 echo winiba, Cape Coast. Now say the insure petit credit. Na baby omoyi diversion no signboard be a signpost be anywhere say oma a diversion kwan no e de akobe be foforo na driver no so de mirika kakra enti odu ho na just ayeputu promo a what the aquaconu bridge no asabra menuka say, and if I don't want a brass abra menuka or more ayarisabia. Now, among some calculated woman say, a driver no edica not to Koshe bridge and answer no can win as a man of fee by 3 times. Now, Ubian say, a Trencham Casepa Nancy, a young conco be a car now, Meta or Notica Numunum, ye mate now. Young Hunu, and to do not put him say, Enshuno, and well to mention, I'm going to say, what bridge and or 2 1. There 30 to 45 minutes later, you want to say, meet a PhD bush, or now, or now, or back with the college, baby, no, if that's a meet. Evanescena at Rencham says, driver, our critical condition, I won't want it, waiting a PhD bush about. There are some kindness or no 50 banum, which is what can no say, or about the age, man, and yes, or about the Dibane, Nana, so credit at Rencham Viceno, and to Engineer, Sabra Menocasa, don't want I was St. Gregory Hospital, I will Abiracam, and I feel a bit more Winneba trauma and specialized hospital, or Muguso Media.
Minia video now what they are sending, no. Will be a war heavy, make crab me who you know, the about me trim say, where the say nipping in a woo. Now, so the Yamias, some I wanted to will be a woo yet, but Mammy Musa, a baby a car no says Siano, and penny to me, I left it, or my page everyone, that's what I'm ranum.
As Abraham and penny for me, I left it. Now, what have video need pa? Put me who said, Bridge and because I am feeling we. I am number 1. And I said, the woman diverted, point beer. And signpost to be anywhere, say, construction, another road is still under construction. And it's a whole home. Now, when I'm going to another, bra. So, Baby Pemo, Liberia Camp, I mean, I don't go be to Liberia Camp, no. A senior hell. Now, contractor ye, one fat be beer and German and home. Nanka wouldn't say, oh, construction site, there will be 2 minutes beer. Ethnic over 20 feet and 30 feet, I had the zinc. As the young home, like I said, oh, one who could have went to me. Where a plane. Now, only now we have an animal world when you fit meet him. Sabra Manuka says, I don't go at the hop. I would to be the good and so at the hop. And also, I death trap. Sabra Manuka said, say, Fopian Twata, Nase, sprinter bus, be a VIP bus, be worth them and one. Get a crying to me, you be floor. And she has first up when you so atom cramane abang. Minister of Roads and Highways. Say, how many about a contractor no enkasa. Say, when him say, oh, you're going to look Liberia Camp. And the cock of him a to break. One we are not feeling yet and one to us. Sabra Minoka say, Omuguso do out to break. A B cost of Liberia Camp. A B cost of dominancy on your market. A B cost of Winneba. Share the gap between dominancy on your market in Winneba. Share the gap between dominancy and a fed breaku out to breaku. Share gap between out to breaku and a fed Liberia Camp. Like I say, in between Liberia Camp and out to breaku, Bibiam Koso. In between Auto Breku and a Poti Johnson to Winneba Johnson to Donald Johnson, Bibian Koso. And it is a win will be out of Aquanoso at Rancham Day, a bit me as
Mania ma yanase, in fact, why you Jumaday, yet your phones were near some manabadi amaye, na your best Koswadi at Chemaya, a Tobenkum 25, your bear crowd on Yajimusem, Ediama dominant pempem.
Papa.
Menso medase enti abusuan yensem troni Samuel Nyameche Junior and what this amane boy every horn my brain ya
okunti kana eda bridge na asesa no
Kwadwo sa wo de wonim say me last month na me free Cape Coast buy
sure menim
enti amane boy a ye nua de mai nyina no eguminsem eguminsem hwe amna no yes
baby akashe
hwe amna no wudru budumbra mu a amna no a contractor na tuo no a ubedru bia na excavators esisi inside about 435 ekono so wo de high tension pole ba kusimu a ebemene sa empie but yenje ho nhada ho si age ho bibia bibisi ebetima choke there is no crash barrier but anyway ana okan say at least say contractor wo ye kwan ya wo be station some signals e be a men at work e be a road diversion and no nya wo no contractor no wo tu me na say wo ye wo say Ghana bakwasem na say nya Ghana bakwasem kra ewiase nyina wa bakwasem a na ye fa no Geneva Convention on Road Safety 1935 ye koye no Geneva wo mo say si ye kwan po na si enyi nwie ya ye fe be advanced directional signs. Men at work. So slow down, road divert, keep right, keep left. Mafa kwa no so last 2 weeks. Bibi say ni ho.
And we are shankani na wonya de a wata fa kwa no so de a. Let's say the team no hwe na benya nkwanhia.
Enti
na ko ba ne sin so okwense nya de.
The question is why na a supervisor contractor no?
Eno ne asem no.
Enti yenim obi a wo supervisor contractor say obey the right thing.
Say aya wata aka se kurom ha na de ba kwa aye ne say ye de nipa ena ye experiment nti am say eno ana ye huni.
Kodo na no wade bia na omudidi agro enkokrafo ne tena kwankwa ne ase fe na asato akofi.
Okay.
Asechire ne say media asempa danso ye dimitiri hweduam. To aso me enko.
Yankwa ye ne mu na yembo mfa nwura mu e wo mrahye bedwam. Na dom kuma mrahye bedwam aka se chire me say doje se ne yakopiem e wo dom ka se wo mrahye bedwam a wo mo ba no dini Alexander Afanyama kina bo modern atwere kranta tenten ene je say petition please e dey akwa speaker of parliament say ne wonye na won kenkan na won kanche ne nuanom fo nyina say modern ansambra mrahye bedwam free say ehu behia pass ne ma bi wo ho no ma motena so ne boa na mambo nu atumi ko nanim nti ehu behia say wo nyina besa wo machi asan ba mrahye bedwam na wababo adwuma pan na say oba bonten panel say dom ku mrahye bedwam chirem say dabi na Alexander Afanyama kin we pa na de pa na wo je bra ya bre na adwuma ye monim sene je sene je se kita won busum de na to so aduasa ene pe mo de akwa asetena ka se de bi enko fie enko adwa hom ye firi se dodo no kwa gina se enko to omutiri so abante hu behia so mo de akwa ko bontoa ye kwa bo adwuma ta won mo achi a mo se yensa metena ma se bedwom de pa na ya je mo mpo mo nim se edum pempenso bi mpo ye kwatena ase wo ma se bedwom no mo kotu akokodi je sene doctor ma mo ba wo mi achi ko bontoa niam ehu hia na ma metena ase na sene yakwa asetena ya jatum ze nyina enko tene fe enko dwodwe ye ho adenti na mo sa eto nsafra ye se yensa metena ase wo kirem se dabi sana mo na Alexander Afanyama ka atu no eye o mo ye pan na jaza kopiem a eye minority eye chief whip no eye Kwame Governance eye agbaza wakasa kirem se sana mo na mperifo atu no eye ne ya papa ni senti on ye won tena ase na nya de wote ase chane senti no emu o ye pan na speaker Abansumana Kingsford Babe ya gaze kirem se anam se ho akwahia se ne Alexander Afanyama Canadian krata bente no ehu behia pass enkopo ya adoma September bosom de toso miensa ene mesebedwafo nyina wa wo pro wo mpo mode ansa enkopo ya na wo betena se e o mesebedwo no mode abobo nsem bi ho afiri se ehu behia pass mu nyina betena se na jama bobo ho pa na so de kuma ni kirem se dabi sa na moto na akoso no wona mo ntia se ne entia se chena na sa se nsem we mu no ena majority chief whip eye Frank Anadompre ona ye mesebedwani ade ma nsewam aduagiri abeto mpesu aso ono so aka se kirem se ensma ho do adom kuma ne ka no kese emu hatu desire huro no ne sente hu behia pa se ne mokotena sere mbobo nwefiri se amammo ni ntina mbo amode ato abade ma mo ne sente mokotena femfa so bia mpo nsa de enya de waso ntine sente momre na government business no entodwa na dom kuma no jemre ene sente fo kasaye emu kirem ni
so I was surprised at the reaction of the majority leader and I didn't think the way he carried out the recall was in good faith. It was a needless reaction. And if I see a list of universities to be established, tax waivers, how are these ones emergency situations warranting a recall? Evidence for the past 1.5 2 months in the chamber is that as a whip, I notice my side is almost always more than them. But then it is not unusual also at the dying end of any parliament. So I agree with you. It's an important issue. I was leading election, so. As a matter of fact, as an MP and a parliamentary candidate, this recall was a bit of unusual because, as you know, we are all supposed to be filing our nominations in the middle of next month, and there are a couple of things we needed to do even before campaigning. And so it's not the easiest time for parliamentary candidates trying to reach out to their constituents to find out the things, or at least update them on what happened in Parliament and what we can together do in the past.
Eni awuti ye aya minority chief whip Kwame Governance Abuja nende ena wote ye no
yentu akase bono so na yenbonwura mu ewo nsamfufuro mu a na Customs Division ema Ghana Revenue Authority GRA edi atodwa kirem se wonom mu ede amnesty ama eye ahyenkafo a anase wonom a womoka omu yuso no yebeka ne se eye uncustomized vehicles na wonom ekirem se sa amnesty no eya bosumi mienu efiti eye August bosumi ekwa kwapem September bosom ni da anase ni day twatwo 30th September ana wonom edesa on customized vehicle amnesty no ede amaka awrafo wonom echirim se sa amnesty no ebeboa ema penalties enfomso akanen anka customs division yechi kasa enye customizer na yetimi amagana mra edi wonom no say 2 months amnesty no ebeboa na kai awrafo ne womo yisu sa kasa no womo atimi ayusu lemu made ba ko womo hwani mu ene se womo betimi ahwe na sa abosu no biero no enkrata asemu a efa sa kasa ne nyina ho no womo atimi ede sa abosu no bienu aye se ne beya efiti October ekro no ene yempenfo betie sikwan so aye inspection na wa ye bechiwo se wo ka no eda so aye on customize no na kire se Ghana mra no wantimi ene so ntina Ghana mra no atimi adiwu womo da to ga kirim se won besere Ghana fo nyina se paso pa ngoma so anya ni modani ye muntia enu nti Ghana fo nyina amfa nto mutirim na wo a bia wo ka no ye beka se bia wo fa illegal means ana kwambone so na wo import ye de ba Ghana no watimi edesa busumi mienu ya mpenfo de ama we de wutiri nkwa momfege sa hyehyɛ ni nyina na bibia nso entimi nko enka ne firi se efiti October 1 ekro no wonom ebeye nationwide inspection ewo kwan so aye chewa Ghana mra ebetimi adiwo womo ade eye numbers atodwa etirim se wo yobi a wo pe eye nchiremu a ene customs division office bia no eben wo no betimi akọ na wakwaje eye emu enkomo anase Ghana Revenue Authority womo head office eye of Starlet 91 Road eben Accra Sports Stadium Ministries eho ana Ghana Revenue Authority wonom headquarters ewo wonom chirim se wo betimi so afra GRA ewo ye toll free number yi eso 0800 900 110 0800 900 110 anase email address no info@gra.gov.gh info@gra.gov gov no your government intini gov inti info@gra.gov.gh anase ubetimi WhatsApp Ghana Revenue Authority so wo pentiremu bia 0552 9900 another 00 055 29900 another 00 and 0200 631664 0200 631664 na enkomo bia no awope wo sa eye 2 months eye amnesty ni mo no watimi age we ni nkomo a efiri Ghana Revenue Authority won maba ye de sum Ghana for
ye to akase bono so ane yembomfa nwura mu ewa aka ne chairperson edema electoral commission no mekire yisi o my Ghana mu Charlotte saying waba bontia bekasa kire mu say emra na otia konwa so bu adwuma pass chairperson edema electoral commission na nyasem kuma o so wate hodo ma na obi afre no ba me Charlotte hwahunye pa nim say ba beto aba so hwahunye na onim na aba na ba beto no ye kana na pa ye chiwade e be yo pa ma me say ni yem say ni fraw Ghana nyasem kuma na onim say ntwefo adi nkomo ne due ya na madam osai kire mu say wabre papa firi se o man Ghana yebo modern apagya se kwakọ hwe abato so a ye woni wabusua ene je se masum da bia ne yebo montrene so anhwe hu ye pa na aba ya betwin ukoyo hu ntedu akire pa ko butia ya ne ade abayew ne hono ma na obi afra no se o kire ma je se ne security agencies ni nyina na obi atume fra no bone ntrene asi hwe hu yo se wunim na akoye kana na rafi na obedie no wa mamu na ho pa ne ye chewa ade abayew krum ha mami se ne yire mu fraw oso abehwan se ko piem ani email account no na piem wo ho no ne ya email no na se message na ba WhatsApp so no de agu so no say na de pa ne ya ye o kire me se Ghana for tete ne sa ye se okoda na wanda on na busuafo nyina na o mu yam da bia da na soja se ko te se wisie no ne ja tato oda wanda Ghana for tete ne sa o kire me se obre papa na Ghana for bakaya ma me Charlotte say no ye boni dizo mama ya chairperson Efema Electoral Commission 2015 otena konwane so akopim 2018 ema Ghana man penen na adodanko akufuado ebewi ni abato ne pe ohwe nanima manifishe mienu ka ho pe owie na ose ma mesha lo tete wa badwuma wa yadwuma pa na so beda se pa ne so ma besome ye no wo bra na sunti bomade akotena fie nti osumi fishe na makoma miensa pe na pa ne ba bi kokotena yen na Ghana for beka ya opening pa na kane no na oye je se ne yisi chairman no je se Kwadwo Afalijan otena konwa no to free 1993 ebe pim 2015 na se abanwa no otena so sa je se ne 22 years na mra obo no homode abo adwuma sa na Ghana mpanifo ka je ne se ne pani wabre de se waduro no umode mbo no eye dodo kokotena ba bi efa ho adwene no no mapenda da je se wotwa manyo mapenda da John Dramani Mahama ebo ne din je se sabato se mo me ya me chairperson efa my electoral commission no jemre eni se so for kasayem no tia banwa so na tata ya Ghana fo bi etata no okana kosem e de kire Ghana fo
threats through the mail through there were threats and sometimes the security agencies will also call you and caution you that there are some threats.
There are some threats.
Be careful, yeah.
How did your family take that? What were you going through at the time?
My family had a very difficult time because I had young kids. And sometimes even in school they'll be abused.
Any awuti ye aya akane chairperson edema electoral commission no Charlotte Osei nene ena kutie ye no
yentu akase bono so na yenko Facebook no so nkan Ghana fo adwempo no kakra na Sefas Bonny ana wo se wo me adwo papa na wotie kase bono life edi free tema ana wo se this is sad wo se eye sad pa na nso no ma adwo ye da se ana nana ba Donald Frank ana wo se hey kaswa to the whole we asemsra we nya kaswa o eye fete kakraba ho no nya kaswa ye besre mu ada nti moma kaswa na nani nkum ye
fete kakraba ne se ho no mo no wo ka kaswa ne mpotemu a ho ne nyina atwa ho ahia nti sa na o beka
ho ne ye gomua fete ho ne ye gomua west
se nkwanhia sekura de se kaswa nya efe
sentra me mpese wode kaswa be bata ho because kaswa ya wutu senya east ana baby accident ni se no eye gomua west eye gomua fete kakraba enye kaswa sem mesra moma kaswa ntu nkromo we dia wa mo huson na mom ya da se na ba wase news no eye loud and clear water community too and wase old Adom FM building na mo na wotie kase bono na wase dem ana fantastic Wilberforce wase wotie news no edi free Seshi Asanyen so and was say NPP doesn't have any campaign from ambulance case to Airbus scandal, and now the office of the special prosecutor has completed its investigation into the Airbus scandal and has exonerated former President John Dramani Mahama akura uhuso sabrobe and Asapon Prince your friend Piaga and was say NPP is the best for Ghana odoi edifretama me pato de ode bae no yentimi nkan enye kra yentimi nkan ayana wama wonsam no ho ate kakra yeda se na Francis Nate ano se Akwaaba bishop Ellis of Penin was Ghana CNN news emuda ho DLFM no size and was no challenger whether you like it or not DLFM number 1 yeda se papa was here demo Ewatema community 25 the wenya and Asapon Prince Makai o message dada ya mubi so bi and Kwadwo Sampa furniture works edifri Kumasi Edum was good evening wofa and then wofa say the news is loud and clear ewo Kumasi Edum na fantastic Wilberforce Makai o message dada meda say Vida Akatara ene wone nkofo dia so so entokwasi wa ha was masa do you even know how to vote okay anyway mama fensia yempese be ready obe response to obe no so e basa na kwaya attack ya da se ana wo so who is supervising who in Ghana apu was say you know accident no was na how dey supervising why okrom ha obi en supervise obi a a life in the jungle only the fittest survive Anna Richmond Fletcher and was good evening wafa I am watching you live from Adabraka fantastic news by all standard Kofi Parliament Edifri Aguna Bobikuma in the central region and was say never sell your stomach to any politician I am watching you live Edifri central region DJ Opai the Mall a year NYOC Goso and was say the people of Okuapem menkan ho asem manentwentwene ho Obed Yosen was say I work around Gumua Fete so I pass on the road every day and all what your reporter said is true. The contractor on that road is behaving like ... The other man I know it seems he has no idea of what he is doing on that road. Yeah, that's the papa say Obed Yosen won't so wa confirming the Equaso Hona Mayen. Na Bart Smith, and was over. I am watching you live. Eddie Free Watford. Ewo United Kingdom or Himan Chrome. Anna Wamaye 2. Akra Unsu Ju 2. Jambi Wensrao. And was a good news. What ya Kwadwo Sammy. Kwadwo. And then they went and Nhyiraba Kwadwo Brooch. There be a when Chia Nifra Santia at Mawogo.
But some chene wanka ho hwede
waka better no mentimi nka
saa we say wa endorse some
wontimi mfa ho ni wabra wo behya che ofia o enti Bart Smith yeda ase papa wo UK enti me ye sure say de asi wo UK no woni abusua no nyina mo ho son ye bɔ mpaye say bibiada entomo yeda mo ase ma ye nto akase bɔ no eso akuafo a wonom wo enuro so eye kuro ba ko a eben asante achim odumase ewo asante mantemu eye wo hene nkwanta ana wo mo ekasa yi wono mo echirem se eye keteke akwan eye railway line bi enam anu so river no eso ewo asante mantemu na akwa ese bridge no eye railway bridge no esan se keteke emfaso woni nti no emperifo ahwene din na epro nanso no eye bridge ba ko a eye keteke enam fa no esa ye bridge edema wono mo kuafo a wonpotem ho se lebe ya wono betimi afaso akọ wono enfuom wono mo echirem se ene enipa bi etwa ton de no na de aka no so ye hwe amana protete enu nti wono de adesrede ana eto aban no animu na oba ye Facebook no eso a ene ye keteke akwan no asese epro ewo hene nkwanta ewa sante achemo no emu nsam ana mepacho video no eda ye Facebook no so a we de eye bridge ankasa ekonko wiem na assembly member awono wo empotem ho eye honorable Ibrahim Yakubu woni nsem trofo di nkomo na wotirem se de ekwaso na ni enyan efiri se sampo no se keteke na yentimi ento ema na mefasa bridge no so a ayensam so ene ekwan ede ama akuafo wo ho se ye hwa mana pro ana nipa bi nso nam kwati kwan na omu twafa eton die se akuafo be den ana omatimi akọ wono mfuom ama Ghana fo ye wokrom nso yetimi anya duane adi wode adesrede ato aban nim se animu ya no wobesere wanya de etene na wompe ho na mo bi nto firi se womanfo a ewo enoso ewo asante achem ene ne mpotem no wo mo ebre pa we ene nkomo a efiri ho no mo eba na ye gina we so age aboafo nkrato ye ba de aka bia nso ye de besom wo a emu nsem enie makwantu ohun sam aye medadwen nanso me yansam tronenti menya adaje ye hwehwemu ekohu Sunday Sam's consult na wonom nti ende metimi ba menya abrani adaje ekenkan ye investigations about womo ana me hu se wo apply for visa assistance a enfeli efri se wonom ewo track records madansi die nie ma menintrel Sunday Sam's consult edi Britia webi ebeje wo visa amount se wo ko United Kingdom, Canada, Dubai, Poland, Croatia, na fe krade, Serbia, any Greece nso abeka ho a work permit etechiri. Ma menchire wo mo echiri kwan. Sunday Sam's consult e wo Ofanko barrier, Asofan, our Bay Wise Park Hotel, e wo Asofan New Station hono a. Phone number 0244 291546. Email address nso e samuelowusu626@gmail.com. Yeti ehudi enti, we connect dreams with opportunities. E manenye wadwendwen, frɛ wonom na nso bedi adanse media.
Hey, anokwase fix my ride adwumayekoi ama omanfo ebopre mine etwetanga egu yeso okrom ha papa se eja Ghana ha wo mu ne abenfo a wo mu sisi accident cars man ye se car ya manufacture na neya wo mu bomodin eye engine tuning, overhauling, body works, oven spraying, air condition service, upholstery, electrical works, automatic gearbox repairs, maintenance and a general car servicing bia so waka dada anase asay na pese woton frɛ wo mo beto de amount sesia wo mo woton kai beto ka ma free so your customer dia and as all the accident car ba on be ma car foforo se twi enu so free sheshe fix my ride limited chi kwan wo Accra Academy School no enchemu ho Odoko police quarters kwan no so Atiko Junction Goyo fuel station no chi Kaneshi Odoko highway 1 crime fresh 0303 944 880 0202 227 660 0540 556020 and our website www.fixmyrideghana.com. Fix My Ride, own the finishing.
DLFM 106.9.
Yema Ghana fo akwaba na yantinsim ewo kasebo no emu. Baabia edru no sofa na Ghana fo nso ensofa. Asemu edi ato ho no mu a ye gye wadwenkyere wo ho ene se enne ejebo nya bedru. Office of the Special Prosecutor Yewura Kisi Ajaben wo yensam trofo nhia mu ede emu nsam abetu dwa kyere mu se eye eba sensensem a yede ho sobo ebo kane mampani John Dramani Mahama no nanya no kure na won kwaje bribe bia anu nti Ghana fo yi emu nsam apie wogi sansam no esen 0534 050199 0534 050199 and 0593 4065 another 65. Good evening.
The gangster catcher meeting crack.
Lydia, I'm in free North Kaneshi.
Okogyeabour Ocran.
Simple.
For that one, that's good. Because some people will be thinking that His Excellency, the former president, is responsible for all this. But nipa na prosecutor no power investigation no. Enyo no pon e de no kwatena ho. The current president e de no for ho. So then we thank God for the outcome of it.
Yeah, that's it, Papa. Good evening.
Okogyeabour
Abdul Rahman, Lakeside Estate.
Okogyeabour
Say on say empenimfo say aboa wowa wo kra wo say wo kwa beso na wa mebie mu na wa yira wo drobem. But I'm in you.
What say JDM? Where are the only problem?
Why?
And JDM.
Me offer no. Me offer penny no.
Ghana penny for that. I won't leave your money. And the angel wants a mom. The only mind if your money.
Yeah, that's Papa. Good evening.
Good evening.
We did this and I'm free.
If I'm a Boatma,
hey, Boatma, Equiapem. Mo, me, we are my bro, Mekwan and wow. Aye. Hello, good evening. Yeah, Atiko say, train. Good evening.
Good evening.
Would any baby our friend, me friend, you may?
Medindi, Emmanuel. Akati this year, my baby is Nungwa.
Yeah, that's me and you.
Special prosecutor. It's me, who say, son, your man, Penny, Dada, no, who sound to the brother. Yadanyamiasi. Wait, let's say, a bino or ye Jumapa. You almost ye be at the Nasa, Yenina, Jumo Diano, a Yenu Cretro do, I am the Quinto. Yadanyamiasi. Ghana, you can be man to no tumpon economy.
Me so me da say good evening.
Good evening, Uncle.
Would you in baby I will frame me free?
We are wow young one winning one girl, Domi Mayo.
Hey, Akra, my minty away.
Uncle, the patch of Adama, radio, the market money things I do teach you. I Papa one of the Assamene Commando.
Papa Baya,
a special prosecutor.
Say I ban a decoy.
I ban out to see. You, yes, only who are all honest. And ne, I'm not waiting in there who see your papa, ye be Bia, John Dramani Mama, Junior Jesus, who so sabrobe, and your patch of Syria, the package, you know, on my special prosecutor, any assembling year. Now, man for the baller minister, you think I could dinner or I've been waiting for the money panel, yet the allegation bomb say. Almost to cut a set of project. I do come to some Rono, every commerce special prosecutor. None so young can you win your woman.
May I say,
Abawi.
May I say, went to me and you know, so 0534 050199 0593 40 65 65. Good evening.
Papa Majo.
Me offer some major so sa kwade.
Papa na what to say?
I to say usuban.
Offer and me say a Roman father can and kasa bia.
Oh, say yes, say wakra enifia ne kura bompua na me ni hantia.
Roman father think can say.
Oh, adie.
O think can say.
Adie bay.
No can perfect.
Oh, when the woman want to focus here da.
Papa.
Yey.
Say ni esi bia no. Ye de nyame ase. Ya hwehwe no. say you do assemble to so Bible say me fan to so na menye ho you say entisa intino pam no twa no asemfa na asemko ya da say
me so me da say good evening
the gasakata
meeting kra
Okogyeabour
simple kra
oni the church member Professor Pastor Sammy B Mubweduma then
oh me kan hwe na adan na mo ka masaya na
Sammy B praise
hallelujah
from
merade
ni da si ho so ko penyi
mami ntie
o ri e obi aji fi usemu
mami ntie
oko
yey
se manya pora no bi minya brosa no bi era se mete mi ahwe gu o mo penyira rasu
what say
this is se manya pora no bi a na mi wo ebrosa ma
wo kongonte kura afabo wo pe kura nso ase ade bi atese powder bi a cocaine say wo bi abetim de abo anim
piao
simple
mtina mi pe DL papa na mi tie every day
me da se papa mame emfa ha good evening me ofa se be ni
sesa kumono
seto mame ntie o
ofa ya semo asende de to so na nyamfa wande nyankopɔ den ma bibia dadi anji eda nyamiase bibia dadi
yo yenso ye da ase papa enti abusua ye ntimi mfa afrefo no ebie mu mfa enkyɛyen ɛwa ha na ansa ne yɛbɛkro no one of our ardent listeners DLFM 106.9 me ame wo fa ase so for mame ye friend no Mamombe Linda ene Mamombe Linda na woda Kwadwo edina fa Mamombe Linda na woda o ma yan fa to so mame na dai wo ba fa na
picture no so wo fa
tesa wo fa na
ana ye kan tiefo ni ngin ni o
be ye no
o hwe asesa no ntimi sorry bi o
I say enti on behalf of the team on say Kwadwo Mamombe Linda nso ye ne no efida dem
yeah
ana wadi akira sempene se Enquire pa na twe adwa
sanity
enti se ne ye nuaba no nya media afefofra ka ne mfie hu a em se picture no Kwadwo Sam ayi o Mario de embago atoso
say dey no pese e beba ntino de okon yenkwe
yes enti ye man happy birthday ye Mamombe Linda wo Adenta housing down en ye da bia no se wo tworo borofo bra yen e wo Facebook iso ni enti se ne we di wa woda on behalf of the team no yes nyame won hira wo won to nkwanem wo ma de ohwe nyina mrem won mo a epe wa hwiase wo kokoa mu no won mo nim begu ase opete mu ate Kofi Kwadwo jim so amen
enti okwen no ano no
that's right
Linda no oya de pa on fa yindwumade no ni agro
that's right
enti yankopon enwesere ode asra me amene efiri mikoto dwuma kogu mata so nyina no o ma bi emra ne so on fa ne nyame sumsu ni agro kidi ampo yankopon wa na ye wa wodai no o ma de pa bia wo hwe ni mu kwan no wonsa intimi enka no be ware nso o ma be ma obete wasemase
eti sawan
o fa mema bi wa papa wosum ene de mo akra yetwa mu Yesu di mo kra
mo enti once again happy birthday
but ene be ne ho anwa
oh na
ya pompe opele be di achi
sa ayi mi hu sa o hye kitchen a wo ka bibibo mu Mamombe Linda no
ya pompe be fa
ana mbusa anse na de na wuye o so wono ajolof wo te bi mame a edin sa bo na mse ewurade
ene e be we pie ho no mti
yes entenyame wonhira no na we no aye popular request ye be kwa na de ama no akenkanfo mienu edi amaje so ye gangster cat ya meeting kura wo Okogyeabour Ocran mene
Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B so for penia enwesra edwa me sisi ano atamata so ne mikoto dwum nyina say time
DJ Omari on the Facebook no eso ne so a DJ Hitman is happiness what they also eba. Happy birthday once again, Mamombe Linda.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.